I'm going to show you how to make a shot called a Cyclone Attack. All right, we're going to start off with a shot glass. And if you like, you can chill your shot glass first. In order to do that, just put some ice in it, let it sit to the side for a moment, swirl it around, and then dump the ice out, and your shot glass will be nice and chilled. Okay, we're now going to add to this about an ounce of blue curacao, just like so. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take a maraschino cherry and put your sword right into your maraschino cherry. Now here's the fun part. You're going to take your maraschino cherry that's on your sword and you're going to break the surface of the blue curacao and let it just sit in there about halfway. Then you're going to take your lime juice in your squeezy bottle and you're going to pour that over the top of the cherry. And as you can see, it's going to create a nice separation there and a separate layer of lime juice. Gently remove your cherry, and there you have it, a blue cyclone. Cheers.